Thank you for watching another Branzino recipe. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos. See you next time.